Top 4 websites to buy and sell NFT crypto art in 2021. Hi guys, today I'm telling you about top 4 NFT websites to buy and sell your NFT art and earn money in 2021. So let's get started. Up first, we have Nifty Gateway. Now, Nifty Gateway is an amazing website that allows you to sell and buy your artwork. It has amazing creators that have amazing artwork available right here. Now, Nifty Gateway is a little different from other NFT websites. Why? Because you can see right here the artwork. When we look at the artwork right here, you will see the prices are mentioned in USD. Most of the NFT websites, most of the art platforms I will be showing you have their prices mentioned in Ethereum. But on Nifty Gateway, it's actually a very good feature of Nifty Gateway that it allows you to buy and sell through your own credit card, and that's why they have these pricings in USD. For example, look at this artwork. It's 749 USD. And if I will click right here on this art, I will be able to get all the details. So you can see right here, this is a very cool artwork and you can see all of the details right here, and you can check out their pricing and what happened and the history of this. This was actually bought by someone and it was about 2 hours ago and it was $749. So yeah, it actually has your Ethereum wallet as well. You can buy and sell through that as well, but they also provide you the credit card option, which is amazing. Now, the good thing about Nifty Gateway is if I go to this artwork right here, now on Nifty Gateway, if you are a seller, now it's a very good thing for you because on Nifty Gateway, your art can be sold within seconds. Like look at this one. This one is open edition. Open edition means that everybody can buy it. It's not limited. So it comes easy for buyers to, and normal people to buy this artwork right here. But if it were a limited edition, then it becomes very hard to get hold on because the limited editions literally sell within the fractions of seconds. People are crazy, right? I mean, they will buy these artworks within seconds and they are sold out. But this one right here, it's an open edition. So when it comes to, for the buyers, it becomes a little difficult on Nifty Gateway to buy something on limited editions. So you have to be very fast and keep track of what's happening and stay online all the time, to buy this art. But yes, almost all kind of art can be found on Nifty Gateway. Amazing creators, amazing artwork is available, and if you are an artist, then Nifty Gateway is an amazing opportunity for you. Yes, they do, you have to contact the team. That's the thing on Nifty Gateway. To your art to get published, you will have to contact the team and provide your portfolio and everything. So yeah, if you are a good artist, then definitely you can check out Nifty Gateway and it will be very profitable for you. Then we have RARible. Now RARible is an amazing platform. It actually has all of things, not just art. It's an open platform, but if we talk about the art, it's amazing for the artists as well because it allows you to buy and sell your art very easily. So on RARible, you can see right here, if I go to any of the art piece right here, let's check out this one. So on RARible, you will require an Ethereum wallet, of course, and you can see the difference between Nifty Gateway and RARible. The prices are mentioned in Ethereum. Right now, you can see these are all live auctions and the pricing is 0.05 Ethereum for this one. So this is, in order to use RARible, you will require a Ethereum wallet, which you connect from right here. And if you want to create an art right here, you will definitely first need to connect your wallet, and then you can just simply go ahead and create a collectible on RARible right here if you want to create a single one or multiple one. If I go to single one right here, so I will be able to show it. For example, you can create your single collectible right here. If I want to choose any file, so for example, I selected this artwork of mine, I want it to be auctioned. I can just select a fixed price or timed auction if I want to, or open for bids. I prefer open for bids. And then you can choose your collection if you want it to be on as a RARible token on ERC721, and then you just simply add any of the title and you add description, simple as that, and then of course all of the others thing. So you can just simply create a collectible from here. If I go to explore right here on RARible, so you can see that these are the top sellers, and if I go to any of these sellers right here, you can see they have made millions of dollars from their digital art. Like, come on guys, the world is crazy nowadays because people are earning, they are literally have their livelihoods dependent on these digital art. Like, nobody in the past thought that this will be possible, but now people are doing it, and you can see they are very talented. But on RARible, I have noticed another thing, that for example, some of the artwork is amazing, and RARible is very common, everybody can, as compared to Nifty Gateway, or we will now discuss, you know, SuperRare, when you will get an idea that RARible is not that strict and you can have your art displayed. So some of the artwork is just, you look at it and you're like, who will buy it, because it's not that good. But of course everybody has their own opinion and they buy it, and the pricing is in Ethereum. For example, look at this one, it is 5 Ethereum, which is amazing, and people will buy it. So yeah, I mean, if you are an artist, go ahead and check out RARible and earn money. Okay, so next we have SuperRare. Now, SuperRare is one of the best art platforms out there. It is amazing, and it is super rare and very different. The artwork on SuperRare is actually super rare, what I have noticed, because the artists on SuperRare are very professional. Why is that? Because SuperRare, that's actually I don't know if it's a con or it's a good thing, but SuperRare is very selective, very selective. They don't allow you to put your art like very easily. Like, as I have seen it, they actually, you have to create your 3 pieces first and you have to show it to them, and they then respond it to you, but you do have to display 3 pieces first. And there, if you are a very professional artist and you are really looking forward, it's not a one-time thing, then I think you should go to SuperRare, and you will be able to earn a lot of money, because the art here is very expensive and it actually gets sold within minutes. So you can see right here, this artwork is for $2,000, and it's actually amazing. Someone made this offer for $2,000. The prices, again, it also works with Ethereum wallet as well, but the prices are also mentioned in USDs, so that becomes a little easy for you to notice. For example, this artwork is $3,000. So yeah, if you are an artist, then I think SuperRare gives you amazing opportunity to display your art and earn a good amount of money from this, and you will be able to earn it. So you can see right here on SuperRare, there are different like trending artists are given right here if you want to check them out. Top collectors are given here, and it is good. SuperRare is very easy to use and it has amazing art, as I mentioned. So yeah, if you are a good artist, for example, look at this is a live auction happening right now, and people are actually going to buy these for a good amount. So yeah, if you are a good artist and you're looking for a legit website and your art is different, your art is good, then yes, SuperRare is for you. Do apply. Don't be afraid that you'll not get selected. You will if you try. And then we have AtomicHub. Now, most of you must not have heard about it, and you'll be like, maybe when we talk about art platforms, most of the people don't talk about AtomicHub. But it is super different from other websites and it is amazing. So what happens on AtomicHub is, if I show you from the Explorer, it has completely different artwork right here. It has card artwork. If you know you are into cards stuff, you know you like cards, and there are people who love cards and everything and who understand it much, better than me. So I may not know about this as much, the value of these cards, but this artwork is amazing. So what happens on Atomic Hub is that they have this token called wax. Let's go to market and then you'll get an idea. So I am on the market of Atomic Hub right here. So you can see this is what the artwork looks like. The people create these cards and they are customized and they own these cards. And these cards have values. People will actually, buy these cards and then put them on the sale for profit as well. So you can see right here, this card is 97 wax, which is $27. So their pricing is also mentioned in their own token, which is wax. And the pricing for wax, unfortunately, I don't know, but it's kind of like one wax is $0.30, I guess, if we look at this pricing right here. So it works like this. So people actually create these cards, and these cards are most of the time in packs. And it's similar for you, when we used to have those Pokemon cards and everything like that. The people who love cards and who understand them better will be able to get this website, and they will actually love this website. So if you do artwork like this, if you have, this is the kind of art you do, then I think Atomic Hub is for you. And it is amazing. The pricing is actually very good. You can see this one is for 30 wax, which is $8, and you can actually trade different cards. And it has actually a very cool Bitcoin programs. All the time there are different programs also available. For example, so these are all the sales. If I go to auctions right here, I will be able to see live auctions that are happening right now. So right here you can see these are all live auctions, and the pricing is for this one is 199 wax, which is $56. That's a lot. Someone is selling this card for like 56, so that's amazing. Most of the cards are in packs, as I mentioned. So yeah, live auctions are available, and different Bitcoin programs are also available from where people earn a lot of money. So yeah, do check out Atomic Hub. It's an awesome website, and they have collectibles and all sort of different things are available on Atomic Hub. So yeah, I think this brings us to the end of the video. I hope I was a big help, and now you know top 4 NFT artworks to buy and sell art in 2021. So yeah, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.